Ayun guys, welcome back for another free time vlog. Dito tayo ngayon sa Robinson Supermarket at tayo mag-grocery. Konti lang bibilin natin guys. Tsaka ako titignan yung yung steak. Sabi nila mura yung steak dito. So yun, unahin na natin yun. Hopefully meron. Ice cream. Hello.
What was your name again? Since so many of them want me just play pretend. All your girls, they just wanna have fun. But it's the same old thing that we all see. Same old thing that keeps speaking that I
Saan ba yung steak dito?
just wanna be alone.
Hotdog.
Same old thing, same old
Tinira
thing.
tayo ng hotdog. Nakita ko na yung hotdog.
If you wanna come around, baby, it's cool. And if you wanna fuck around, baby, I do. Just wanna be alone with you. With you.
May chili flavor na pala yung hotdog ng Pure Foods. May nakita akong bagong hotdog eh. Pati pangalan mo, nakita ko sa TikTok. Yung madaming cheese. Ba't walang cheese? Cheese jam. Ito, cheese jam.
Fruit choice and the Mixed version Kaiser to 1 house man. Fruit choice and the Mixed version Kaiser to 1 house man, please.
Just wanna be alone with you.
Ganyan na yun.
Just wanna be alone with you.
Hindi ako naka-belt guys. Nahuhubad yung pantalon.
If you wanna come around, baby, it's cool. And if you wanna fuck around, baby, I do. Just wanna be alone with you. With you.
Nasaan kaya yun guys?
With you.
Sabi nila nandito yun eh. Mayroong steak dito eh. Bakit parang wala?
Just wanna be alone.
Wala nga. So, ibig sabihin dito siya. Hindi naman dito yung nakita ko.
What was your name again? I've seen so many of them come.
Wala nung steak sa guys.
All your girls, they just wanna have fun. But it's the
Corned beef.
same old thing that we all see. Same old thing that keeps
Ito yung pinapapak pag gabi.
Just wanna be alone with you. Just wanna be
So,
alone.
bili tayo nito.
Same old thing that keeps me around. If you wanna come around, baby, it's cool. And if you wanna fuck around, baby, I do. Just wanna be alone with you. With you. With you. With you.
Program Kaiser to CD, program Kaiser.
Bago lang yan. 1 kilo. Ba't wala kayong steak nung na? Frozen. Steak. Hindi ko sure. Sige.
Be alone with you. Just wanna be alone with you. Just wanna be alone with you. Same old thing that keeps me around. If you wanna come around, baby, it's cool. And if you wanna fuck around, baby, I do. Just wanna be alone with you. With you.
Ayun, so bumili tayo ng ground beef guys kasi di ba yung last kong grocery merong dami kong binili tomato sauce or spaghetti sauce, iba-iba pa. So iluluto na natin yun kesa sa masira. 1 kilo lang naman binili ko. Nagdagan pala natin yung corned beef kung ganun, no? Thank you. Nagdagan natin yung corned beef kasi isasahog ko sa spaghetti guys. Ibili rin tayo ng pasta. Yung malalaki.
What was your name again?
Corned beef na malalaki.
Many of them come, want me just play pretend.
Ayun.
Your
Argentine.
girls, they just wanna have fun, but it's the same old thing that we all see.
Argentine.
Same old thing that keeps speaking, but I just wanna be alone with you. Just wanna be alone with you. Same old thing, the same old thing that keeps me around. If you wanna come around, baby, it's cool. And if you wanna fuck around, baby, I do. Just wanna be alone with you.
Pwede na yun.
With you.
And then, dito na yung pasta. Bili na tayo ng pasta. Macaroni. Ito lang pasta. Fiesta pasta. Don't tell me, wala ito. Kasya kaya yan sa bag ko guys. Dinala ko pa yung bag. Tapos di pala kasya no? May gali. Tapos masama pa, naputol yung shoulder ano niya. Ano ba tawag doon sa ganun?
Just wanna be alone with you.
May mas mura pala yung process. May mas mura palang ground beef.
Just wanna be alone with you. Same old thing, the same old thing that keeps me around.
Wala sila nung frozen na ano. Wala sila nung frozen na steak guys. Paano yan? Yun ang pinunta ko talaga dito. Nakakaasar. Tingnan nga tayo, baka mamaya meron. Meron dito, anong tawag dito kasi? Wala, anong tawag dyan? Daing, may daing sila. Come on steak, magpakita ka ha. Salmon, meron silang salmon. Salmon na lang yata ang bili natin. Yellow tuna, salmon.
CS3 to treasury office, CS3 to treasury office, please.
Meron silang sausages. Puro sausage eh, oh, puro hotdogs.
Since so many of them come, want me
Wala
just
nang
play
steak.
pretend.
Ba't wala nang steak guys, ha?
Wanna have fun, but it's the same
Anong
old
problema
thing
niyo sa
that
steak?
we all see. That keeps speaking, but
Gusto ko ilabas niyo yung steak. Sabi meron dito pero wala naman. Merong smoked bacon
keeps me around.
pero walang steak.
If you wanna come around,
Why?
baby, it's
Merong siomai, tempura,
fuck around. Baby,
barbecue kineme, may tocino. Pero steak wala. Tonkatsu, meron tonkatsu. Dumplings. Nuggets. Walang steak. Why steak? Mas maganda yung cut ng pork steak.
just wanna be alone with you.
Breakfast steak. Wala talagang steak. Yung magagawa natin.
Just wanna be alone with you.
Ano pa bibiling ko? May tomato sauce na doon. Yun, so na-cancel yung steak natin.
Just wanna be alone with you.
Balak ko sanang isa ba yung pagluluto ng steak na binili ko sa kapatid ko, kaso manipis lang kasi. Kaya gusto kong bumili nung dito kasi max ang nakita ko sa commercial or sa TikTok, makapal.
Baby, I do just wanna be alone with you.
Nakikita ba ako?
With you.
Bahala na. Ano pa? Corn beef, toothpaste and shampoo. Saan yung toothpaste and shampoo? Ang init dito, hindi malamig. Ba't gano'n? Pakilakas ang aircon, please. Saan mga toothpaste dito? Shampoo and whatnot. Dog food. If the world was so
See so many of them cool. Won't we just play pretend? All your girls, they just
You will recognize Iris 7, you will recognize Iris
keep
7.
speaking, but I just wanna be alone. Just wanna be alone with you. Same old thing, same old
Tumingaw
thing.
yata ako dun, miss. Hindi ko makita yung
If you
toothpaste.
wanna come around, baby, it's cool.
Bulaga, ito dito,
And if you wanna
toothpaste.
come around, baby, I do just wanna be alone with you. With you.
I'm gonna buy toothpaste. I'm gonna buy toothpaste. I need two of this. What else? Shampoo and need shampoo and anti-clip na rin ang hair ko.
Just wanna be alone.
Saan yung mga shampoo nila? Body care. Back care.
Be alone with you.
Shampoo. O, sa kabila. Ayun, hair care. Sa kabila siya, hair care.
Just wanna be alone with you. Same old thing that keeps me around.
Parang mas mura dito.
If you wanna come around,
Ay,
baby, it's cool.
sabihin na natin para hindi na ako
If you
mabalik-balik.
wanna fuck around, baby, I do just wanna be alone with you. With you.
Ayun, yan pa. What else?
With you. With you.
Cute nung ano nasa kasya.
Wanna be
Ano ba yung binibili nila? Liquid detergent. Sir, liquid detergent. Breeze yata yung binibili ng mama ko.
again. I've seen so many of them come. Want me
Breeze.
just play pretend. All your girls, they just wanna have fun. But it's the same old thing that we all see. Same old thing that keeps me keen. But I just wanna be alone with you. Just wanna be alone with you.
Feeling ko mag-grab ako sa dami ng binili ko.
Same old thing.
Ang kunti lang eh. Kaso bulky yan, di ko kayang buhatin.
If you wanna come around, baby, it's cool.
Sige, mag-grab ko,
If you wanna
mag-grab.
fuck around, baby, I do just wanna be alone.
Ay, dami na ba ito?
With you.
Hindi maganda to.
With you.
Pareho lang.
With you. Just wanna be alone.
Kaya mabango nito. Front load. Fresh cream. Rose gold. Ito lang mga rose gold. Tingnan natin ito.
Atomizer currently, atomizer currently, please.
Just wanna be
What
alone.
else? Meron na tayong shampoo. Meron na tayong toothpaste.
Just wanna be
Meron na
alone.
tayong detergent. Liquid detergent. May spaghetti na.
Notation atomizer currently, notation atomizer currently, please.
Same old thing, the same
May
old thing.
spaghetti na. May tomato sauce doon. May hotdog.
Wanna come around,
May biniling. May Ang tawag yan?
And if you
Corned
wanna
beef.
fuck around, baby, I do. Just wanna be alone with you.
What else? What else am I going to buy? Nakakasar, walang beef. Yun lang ang pinunta ko talaga. Hindi naman to eh. Iwanan na nga natin. Walang steak. Anong hihintay kong bilhin? Bakit pala?
Naka-uniform pa naman.
What was your name
Ay,
again?
may issue sila. Yung isa daw naka-uniform. Hindi mo naka-uniform guys, diba?
Your girls, they just wanna have fun, but it's the same old thing
Kasar,
that we
bakit
all
ganoon?
see. That keeps me keen.
Kasar.
Just wanna be
Pili tayo ng ano, mushroom.
just wanna be alone.
Mushroom kinemerol.
Same old thing.
So, I really like mushroom. I can put it in spaghetti, no? Yung mushroom, no? Yung iba linalagyan.
Baby, it's cool. And if you wanna fuck around, baby, I do.
Gusto ko rin ng corn.
With you,
Pili tayo ng corn and mushroom. Kaya dito yung corn and mushroom. Yung mga ano, tawag din, spaghetti sauce. Yun, dito pa lang kitang-kita ko na kahit malabo ng mata ko. Kitang-kita ko na yung mga mushrooms. Hahaha. Mushroom in the house.
Just wanna be alone with you.
The mushrooms in the house.
Just wanna be
Mali.
alone with you.
May mas mo, 34.
Same old thing keeps me around. If you wanna come around, baby, it's cool. And if you wanna fuck around, baby, I do. Just wanna be alone with you. With you. With you. With you. Just wanna be alone.
I think we're done. Baka mapagastos tayo lalo. That's enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Ibot tayo guys.
What was your name again?
Ang init. Anong oras na?
Want me just play pretend?
It's 3 p.m.
Girls, they just wanna have fun, but it's the same old thing that we all see. Same old thing that keeps me keen, but I just wanna be alone with you. Just wanna be alone with you. Same old thing that keeps me around.
Ano na? Last na ba yun?
Baby, it's cool.
Tignan niyo yung pinamili ko. Yung konti.
Fuck around, baby,
I think iba-box nila yan. So, dapat huli na tayo nagganto. Ay, iwan muna natin sa ano, sa counter. Baggage counter. Tayo sa malapit sa baggage counter. Mag-grab ako, mahal naman. 300. My gosh. I'm so hopeless. Charot. Enough is enough. Kasya kaya sa bag to? Hindi kasya sa bag to eh. Kailangan box.
Just wanna be alone with you. Just wanna be alone with you. Just wanna be alone with you. Same old thing, the same old thing.
Pwedeng i-box.
If you wanna come around, baby, it's cool.
Yung ano, sir.
And if you wanna fuck around, baby, I do. Just wanna be alone with you.
Eto mo sa sir babaksin.
Oo.
Maraming summer lang.
Ano yan?
Wala siyang bayad.
Wag na. May credit card naman ako.
Just wanna be alone.
Pahingi ako ano.
Sige, yan ang gusto ko.
What was your name again? I've seen so many of them. Let me just play pretend. Oh, your girl
Pwede bang card to?
Ako, closing ka ng bukas.
thing that we all see. Same thing that keeps me keen, but I just wanna be alone. Just wanna be alone.
Ana?
Same old thing that keeps me around.
Hindi kawawa si ate mo.
If you wanna come
Nanay
around,
mo sabi mo.
baby, it's
Ikaw yung sandals niya.
and if you wanna come around, baby, I do.
Hindi ako naniniwala ko.
Hindi, lagay mo na. Kasha ba?
Sira ka ba? Puputulin niya ba sarili yung sandals? Kailangan pambili yun.
Sahog mo kaya? Hindi pwede
Sira ka
sahog.
talaga na
Ipahiga.
asawa mo.
Hindi naman siguro.
May Robinson po.
Wala.
Bumili na ako. Ayan. Baon. 140 ate. 140. 16 pieces na siya. Sige. 140 divide.
Just wanna be alone with you. Same old thing that keeps me around. If you wanna come around, baby, it's cool. And if you wanna fuck around, baby, I do.
Buta sa alipin
Be
ko pa na.
alone with you.
Q.
Pag yung 7 ilabas, sa park. Nandiyan na labas.